Get ready to light up this holiday season in a whole new way. Join me on the journey as we craft festive masterpiece, printed circuit board that dazzle like Christmas trees. Let's bring together technology and tradition for a truly magical celebration. Starting our holiday journey, we kick things off by sketching out a simple schematic diagram. This basic blueprint will be our roadmap, showing us where each part goes in our Christmas tree PCB. We'll carefully place LEDs, resistors, and wires to make sure everything lights up just right. Once our schematic is ready, it's time to create the actual PCB layout. Think of it like arranging the pieces of a puzzle. We'll place the components like LEDs and resistors on the board, making sure they fit together just right. Then, we'll draw the wires that connect them, ensuring everything is in the right spot. It's like mapping out the streets in a city. With a little patience and precision, our Christmas tree PCB will start to take shape, ready to shine bright for the holidays. The dimension layer, represented by the distinctive yellow line in the PCB layout, this layer holds the key to determining the overall shape and layout of the circuit board. Alongside it, layer 21, known as T-place, and layer 29, known as T-stop, plays a pivotal role in enhancing the aesthetics of the board. These layers allow the incorporation of decorative designs, adding a visually appealing touch to the final product. Balancing functionality with visual appeal, understanding and skillfully utilizing these layers is essential in crafting an efficient and visually striking circuit design. With our PCB layout all set, I sent it off to JLC PCB. Now, I'm eagerly waiting for it to arrive at my doorstep. It's a bit like waiting for a gift in the mail. I'm excited to see the physical version of the Christmas tree PCB I designed. Soon, I'll be able to bring a touch of holiday magic to life with my own hands. With the PCB board in hand, it's time for some careful work. I'll gently solder the resistors and LEDs onto the board like putting together a model kit. Each connection is like a tiny bridge, making sure everything is connected just right. It's a bit like arts and crafts but with a touch of science. Slow and steady, I'm bringing our Christmas tree to life, one solar joint at a time. After meticulously soldering the components onto the printed circuit board, I eagerly proceeded to the next step in my project. With great anticipation, I uploaded a carefully crafted code using Arduino IDE to the microcontroller, breathing life into the electronic assembly. Then, with a sense of accomplishment, I connected the Christmas tree PCB to the microcontroller, watching in delight as it illuminated with festive colors and added a touch of holiday magic to the room. The luminous spectacle that unfolded before my eyes was nothing short of enchanting. The intricate dance of vivid hues cascading across the Christmas tree PCB evoked a symphony of brilliance, each shade harmoniously blending with the next, creating an ethereal tapestry of light. The gentle pulsating glow seems to breathe life into the meticulously designed circuitry, casting a spellbinding aura that captivated the senses. Every twinkle, every shimmer, bespoke a story of creativity and precision, weaving a tale of illumination that left an indelible impression on the beholder's soul.